Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. Let's learn the different types of Trioceros chameleon species name. Number 1. Usambara Three-Horned Chameleon. Number 2. Jackson's Chameleon. Number 3. Meller's Chameleon. Number 4. Trioceros Three-Horned Chameleon. Number 5. Cameroon Sailfin Chameleon. Number 6. Owen's Chameleon. Number 7. Reptiles Desert Chameleon. Number 8. Bale Two-Horned Chameleon. Number 9. Four-Horned Chameleon. Number 10. Horse Chameleon. Number 11. Tanzania Mountain Chameleon. Number 12. Weimer's Three-Horned Chameleon. Number 13. Side-Striped Chameleon. Number 14. Cameroon Dwarf Chameleon. Number 15. Crested Chameleon. Number 16. Montane Side-Striped Chameleon. Number 17. Bioko Montane Chameleon. Number 18. Goats's Whistling Chameleon. Number 19. Helmeted Chameleon. Number 20. Bikasi Two-Horned Chameleon. Number 21. Mount Lefo Chameleon. Number 22. Wolfgang Boehm's Ethiopian Chameleon. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.